Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at a general overview of what the poor internet mode feature is on Keepsales. So let's get to it. What is the poor internet mode on Keepsales? So first and foremost, it is an offline mode, okay, which Keepsales developed for users who are in areas with very bad internet connectivity or non-existent connectivity at all. Okay, so the whole issue of this is that everybody gets to enjoy the benefits of Keepsales, whether you are in an area with like very good, very fast internet, or you happen to be in an area where the internet is very poor. Okay, so now Keepsales web and mobile platforms strictly use the internet. And the advantages of being on the internet in order to use Keepsales is very massive. You know, you are able to work from anywhere and monitor your business from anywhere. And because of that, the issue of theft in your shop is arrested. Okay, so now because some people find themselves in areas where the internet is bad, okay, it doesn't have to be an obstacle to them to prevent them from being able to use, the Keepsales platform. Okay, so we want to just have a look at how it is, and then in our subsequent videos we'll be looking at how to activate how to switch to the poor internet mode and then be able to sell using that. Okay, so when you tap on the new transaction, okay, it takes you to the new transaction page, okay, and then over here you're able to see go to poor internet mode. Okay, so when you click on this, okay, there will be some guidelines you obviously have to read. Okay, so this is where we'll be focusing on, and then in our next video we'll look at how to use the poor internet mode. So it says that having internet issues, our poor internet mode allows you to continue recording sales in extremely slow, dodgy, and even non-existing internet connection. Now once connection is restored, you can sync the recorded transactions to your account. So what this means is that there's a connection between your poor internet mode and the online mode, in that once you are done using the offline mode to record your transactions, you are able to sync all that data back, okay, to the server cloud, okay, which actually protects and safeguards your data. Okay, and the disclaimer here says that we cannot 100% guarantee the accuracy of your inventory quantities when you sell in PIM, and they will not be held liable for any loss to the data recorded on your computer as a result of damages, sudden loss of power, and other hardware faults which are risk for selling without immediate connection to ourselves. So these are basically the disadvantages of using offline systems. Any offline system is that you are liable to hardware damages. Anything can happen to the hardware, and then all of a sudden you lose your data. That is why the internet is very important. Being able to use the online mode is important, because then your data is stored somewhere is stored in a server, okay, on the cloud. Okay, so if anything happens to your PC or anything, your data is not affected. But with the offline mode, which is our poor internet mode, okay, these are things that are bound to happen. So you just have to take note of them, and then you prepare adequately for them. But then, like I said, the advantages with this is that you still have to be able to record your sales. You still have to be able to do what you have to do as a business, okay? And so the fact that you have the bad internet shouldn't be the reason why you cannot use a system to run and manage your inventory and your shop. Okay, so this is all for this was just a general overview of the poor internet mode, which is our offline mode. I'll see you again in our next video, so do well to catch up. Visit our YouTube channel, watch all our videos. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time, and bye bye.